It's not what I want.
Guys, hey, listen. You guys realize how close the end of the semester is? We have, let me think. 1, 2, we have 5 classes left. We got to get going. There's not a lot of time. We've got GRASS checklist number 4, GRASS checklist number 5, GRASS checklist number 6. There's a lot of work to do. We can't just sit around and smoke the whole day.
So, listen up. The next step is GRASP's checkpoint 4, which is for you to think about the problem and situation you are solving. Now, I know a lot has happened. We've had debates, there was a referendum, we're all tired. As you can see, I'm losing my voice, I haven't shaved. But hey, it's the end of the semester. We all got to focus here. And you need to get back with your group and start really thinking about your final project. So maybe since the beginning of the semester you've had a really clear idea and you're still working on it. Great, good for you. But probably a lot of you, you're not really sure what you're doing with your final project yet. So you really need to focus and figure out what is the problem? What is the situation that our project addresses? So take, for example, one of these 3 videos you hopefully watched. There was one about games, about apps, how apps make money. Now, is that like a problem, a world problem? We need to know how these apps work? No, but it's an interesting question. How do these apps make money? This video answers that question. There's a video about doors. Really? Is like doors something really important for the world? No, but it answers an interesting problem about design and psychology and something that affects our daily life. And finally, there's this video about aliens. Now again, this doesn't affect our daily life, but it's an interesting question that these video producers have given an answer to. Now, these videos were all short, like 5 minutes. But these videos took hundreds of hours to produce. They had to research them, they had to understand all the ideas, and then bring it together into a, clear, short video. Now, we do not expect you to spend 500 hours researching and developing your final project, but you are going to have to invest some time and energy into your project. So right now, what you need to do is think again, what is my final project? What is your group doing? What's the situation that you're looking at? What answer are you going to give? How are you going to solve this problem? And then you need to start doing research. You need to get real academic sources that will give you answers to your problems. Do you remember the project ideas some of your instructors had at the beginning of the semester? There was one about fire safety, one about surveillance cameras, building a pedestrian bridge, and one about wind energy. Now, all of those need research to answer their questions. So, whatever you are doing, you need to start researching. You need to find some good academic sources to help you answer your question. Now, tomorrow in class, we're going to focus on trying to find sources. And in the subsequent classes, we're going to focus on how to read and understand academic sources. But you need to start finding sources to answer your questions. So, get to work. Good luck. Please, as always, talk to us if you have questions. Thank you.